Continuing on with our PXE profile configuration video series, we are now at NIST IEEE settings. We're going to click on Open Secure Filter window. What this window does is it allows you to pick the behavior and order of operations for purge and clear. So here I've got purge selected, and you can see that I've got Opal, sanitize crypto, sanitize block erase, NVMe crypto, NVMe format, sanitize overwrite, and secure erase enhanced. So currently these are turned on. These are hard drive only, and so they're currently turned on for hard drive only. If I didn't want to support them, I could turn them off. Over here you can see that sanitize crypto is turned on. And now let's say block erase is what I would prefer so that I don't have any kind of garbage data left on the media. I can simply select block erase, hit the up arrow, and now I've prioritized it over cryptographic erasure. And I can do the same thing here for NVMe format and prioritize it over NVMe cryptographic erasure. So just to give you an idea of how that works, when I'm done with my changes, I simply hit update. Over here under clear, you can see that I've got secure erase turned off. So if I want to allow secure erase as a clear, I can turn it on for everything, or turn it on for SSDs only or HDDs only. And then SCSI format, that would be either one as well. So as a clear, I could pick HDD, SSD, or both. Simply hit update, and now that setting will take place. So here under general, I can turn all these different things on or off as well. Now we'll move on to post-erasure events. Here you can see again, I can run a device script. So scripting is all built here. Again, ERP system. This is where I would upload to the ERP. Third-party verification licenses. This would be, so EPS has partnered with CPR Tools, who has created a verification tool for us. We can launch it automatically to whatever percentage you would like, and it's automatic, so your techs do not need to think about it. This works in Xerase, and it works in LCServer as well on laptops, desktop servers. You just say what percentage you'd like to adhere to. Check this box to retain the separate verification log, and that tool will automatically be launched every 5% of your erasures. So if you did 100 devices, it would be launched 5 times. If you did 50 devices, it would be launched 2.5, really 3, and so on. This option allows you to write, if you're not going to reimage, a stamp onto the media at a specific logical block address. You can also add specific taglines in, and you could use defines as well. Something like that. We have a list of defines in our documentation, and again, any other text you'd like to put in that stamp is available to you. Health and grading, this is discussed in another video, created right here under this button here. And again, you just post erasure event, pick your grading profile that you'd like to apply, and we will do it post erasure. Now, we also have pre-erasure, as you saw in a previous video. So the reason for both is that depending on the erasure type, you might actually end up with new reallocated sectors, for example, that you wouldn't otherwise be able to pick up on if you didn't have the pre and post erasure events turned on for device grading. This is if you want to reformat the drive, and the settings we saw were in erasure settings here. This would be if you want to download firmware. This would be using a comma delimited file in a firmware folder that we have, and you'd obviously have to have the correct firmware for it as well. If you want to reimage a system, this would be if you would pick your image file here, script file if you have one created, and choose image and hit update. And now that would apply whatever image you've selected along with whatever scripts you've picked which would allow you to customize it and actually provide third-party tools to be installed like Office and so on. Stay tuned for the next video.